following counties in Pennsylvania: Greene and Washington. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Blairsville to 7 miles southeast of Valley Grove, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Bethel Park, Monroeville, McMurray, Greensburg, McKeesport, Washington, Uniontown, Jeanette, Canonsburg, Latrobe. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 57. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 55 and 100. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 21, and between mile markers 155 and 176. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-2 June 2nd, 1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. The current time is 8:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now here is the